We're here at Bird & Blend's Hello Kitty launch.
Oh, welcome to Tiny Mice. Come with us.
How many apples high, like tall, is Hello Kitty?
4, 6.
5. How many apples tall is she? 5? This is awkward.
4. Ooh, close.
Ooh!
5.
No.
What is the name of Hello Kitty's boyfriend?
See, I've got kitty vision.
Kitty vision. What was Hello Kitty's surname?
Oh, I don't know. Hello Kitty, hello? Kitty fringe.
Actually white.
Alright, kitty white.
Because she is white.
White, yeah.
White.
White. Where was she born?
London.
London. She's London girl.
She's a London girl.
London girl.